Hey y'all, I'm Alicia, founder of Harmony Strands. I created this space for women like me, women who are learning to love their natural hair, embrace their grays, and take care of themselves on a deeper level. But before I tell you what I do, let me tell you why I do it. I've been on a long journey with my own hair. There was a time when I felt like I had to consistently hide my gray strands, like they were something to be ashamed of. I used to with cover them up the second they appeared. And honestly, I was tired of the pressure, tired of the damage, tired of chasing styles that didn't feel like me. Eventually, I decided to cut it all off and start fresh, this time on my own terms. That decision changed everything. Once I stopped fighting my hair and started listening to it, I realized there was something sacred in this process. Taking care of my scalp, nurturing my strands, and learning the old school methods that actually work. And most importantly, honoring my crown, my gray hairs, and all. Harmony Strands is more than a business. It's a movement. It's about healing hair through intention, protection, and consistency. It's about reviving natural textures. It's about celebrating our crowns, especially the ones that don't fit in the mainstream image of beauty. As a licensed cosmetologist, I specialize in scalp health, protective styling, gray hair care, and moisture retention, especially for women with textured hair. Whether I'm styling you in person, creating products, or sharing tutorials here on YouTube, everything I do is focused on helping you protect what's yours, your peace, your beauty, your hair. If you've been dealing with dry hair, thinning edges, itchy scalp, or just not knowing what to do next, I want you to know you're not alone. I've been there. And I've helped women go from breakage to length retention, from shame to confidence, and from frustration to flow. This channel is where I share real tips, healing routines, and heart to hair conversations. If you're ready to grow, soften, and reconnect with your hair, subscribe and stay connected. And if you're local to New Orleans or the North Shore, you can even book with me directly for mobile services. My goal is to help you feel care from roots to crown. So again, welcome. This is Harmony Strands, where every strand matters and your journey is honored.